Am I going to have to work in your ranks?
Possibly.
All right. Think you can handle working with the others
Yes.
and fulfill your position?